Kalimpong Inter-District Cricket Tournament nakabenta ki kena kenthei under 19 kabla penlong daga Meghalaya Cricket Association mentaka sngi kala poino syaka bakut ha kabala ya lekai ha pedeng ka Riboy District Cricket Association persya ka Shillong Cricket Association watla ka jinga lekai kalong ka besyong shit bha henre ka bakut jong kani ka jinga lekai ka Shillong Cricket Association kala job da run persya ka Riboy District Cricket Association kabala penlong sendan ka Shillong Cricket Association kum kaladu jong kani Kalimpong. Ha kani kasngi Pynhap Pyrda ya kani Kalimpong lawan Bansaki da una bata charji ubaderu u presiden ka Meghalaya Cricket Association haringkat ki dukhat jong ka MCA bat ki District Cricket Association baper na lor ki weipat. La ai khusnam kerpangru iki player ha kabaya ka khusnam best player of the tournament la yo ada ka Ankita Sharma jong ka RBDCA da ka jingyo prapulairan bat penlim wicket kat ba ka Nilam Roy jong ka SCA kabla yo Saupo run bat penlim wicket kabla yo e ka khusnam kum ka best player of the match.
An exciting final, and we like to thank all the players for giving such a wonderful display. Ultimately, who is the winner? Cricket is the winner, and our state is the winner, because tomorrow you will be representing our state of Meghalaya. This is the biggest pride. RBDCA also played very, very well. You should not be disheartened. I can see from your face. By losing narrowly, you learn, and I'm sure next year you'll give a run for the money to SCA. That should be the spirit. One defeat should not dishearten you. You should take it more strong, that we'll practice more, we will fight, and we will win next year. Huh? Say yes loudly. Yes. You see, your president is so vociferous. He always fights for you people. So you should also give us in return. We want someone from Meghalaya. We have lot of hopes on our young girls, and they have the talent. And one day we want to see few of you playing in the Indian team. And it is not hard. If you are sincere, if you work hard, you have the talent, you can make it. Don't think that we are less than anyone in the country, or any state in the country, or any player in the country. We are equal in every respect. So you have to play with that spirit. Listen to your coach. So thank you once again, RBDCA, for the wonderfully hosting of the tournament. They usually do that. This time, Baranol was hesitant. He said, Laduna por. But he came up with all his team, the Kong here. This is really a good team spirit, a good round of applause. Bamak and myself, we told Baranol, you go ahead, don't stop. Thank you, Baranol. Even a word of appreciation for Bar Dister and his tournament committee. A very good job done, and he has been doing this for last several years. Thank you, Bardis, and your team. To all the umpires and others and all those, the support staff and the organizing committee.